Now let's start with my part of the course. And this is the part of the course where hopefully you'll make your dog walking business an empire. But before we do that, let's go over some basics. The way I see dog walking is it's a local service. A local service is a kind of a business that operates locally. It can range from construction, doctor, flower shop, restaurant, dentist. These are all local services. What makes them the same is that they all operate within a certain distance. A local bodega, a local corner store might operate within draw most of its clients within a 3 or 4 or 5 block distance, right? People wouldn't travel to it. But a construction company can travel about 60 miles to a construction site. So the localness is relative. But the way people find you as a local business is surprisingly really similar. And as a dog walker, there will be very many elements that like a doctor would use. So let me explain it. So back in the day, if you're young, maybe before you're born, but if you're old like me, when you were still young, there was this Yellow Pages, right? There was a big Yellow Page book that you would get, at least in America, that like you would just get a whole bunch of listings of businesses. And when you needed something, a plumber, whatever, a doctor, you had no internet. That was back in the day, let's say like 1980 or even 1990. No internet. So you ask your friends, no Facebook, you just ask a couple of friends. And if they knew someone, great. But if they didn't, you went to the Yellow Pages and you look for the businesses. And of course, the biggest listing there, the first one, the biggest one, that's the one you called most of the time. And that's it. Now, Yellow Pages is not used nearly as much now because Google has become the Yellow Pages of our world. We just search for it, we find stuff. So in the next video, I'm going to start by walking you through the Google search results for local services, and you'll see exactly what the strategy there is to rank websites. And firstly, we're going to get you to dominate your local Google listings so that you can get a high amount of consistent, regular inbound traffic and customers.